And we are continuing to see very summer-like weather. Got up to 86 degrees yesterday here both in Eugene and Roseburg. We topped out at 88 for those of you in Corvallis. The warm spot in the state was in Medford, where they made it up to 93. Also got up to 90 up in the Dalles. Portland topping out at 84. And for the coast, it depended on which side you were on. For the north coast, Astoria made it back into the low 70s under sunny skies there, while you head down along the south coast, a little bit cooler, 61 in North Bend. Now that high of 86, that's 6 degrees above average for this time of year. So even though it is still summer, 86 is a little bit warmer than we typically see here in early September. Although not the warmest, the record, that's 97, and that was set back in 2003. Average overnight lows about 49 degrees at this point, though the record's down to 40. Haven't seen any rainfall in September, and that surplus still at 4.7 inches. Now we're waking up this morning to clear skies, and that's true for all of Oregon, Washington, Idaho, North California, even most of Nevada. Seeing a little bit of low cloud cover out at the coast and some fog developing as well there this morning. The rest of us, though, we're under clear skies. Current temperatures at 50, dew point down to 49, and the wind is calm. So we could still see a little bit of that fog forming this morning, but I'm really not expecting much because we do have high pressure sitting just offshore. That's helping to keep our winds out of the north. That helps to keep us drier and clearer. Also, you notice the jet stream shoots way up into Alaska, Canada, and doesn't move down to the U.S. until you get over to eastern Montana. So with that big ridge of high pressure, we'll continue to see warm conditions here through the end of the week. Early next week, we will see a weak little disturbance move through. Most of that will be carried up into Washington, but we could see some cooler air move in starting on Saturday. But the cloud cover, again, that's staying at the coast all day today. As we head into Thursday, you see some early morning clouds there at 7 a.m. pushing up into the Umpqua Basin. Otherwise, right back to the coast there by about 10 o'clock in the morning. And then Friday, you start to see those north winds, that offshore flow kicking in, and that'll help to clear off even the north coast. Although in Coos Bay, you'll likely start the day still with those clouds. Similar today, morning clouds, afternoon sun breaks. You'll see your high temperatures back into the low 60s, winds staying out of the north, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Low 60s all week. You'll continue to see that fog there on Thursday. And then we could see a little bit of light drizzle Saturday, Sunday, and Monday mornings as we start to see that weak disturbance move through to the north of us. The Umpqua Basin, mid-80s today. As warm as 87 in Roseburg. Sunny skies, winds out of the northwest there at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Climbing all the way to 89 by Friday. And those of you in South Douglas County likely topping out in the low 90s. But we'll see those temperatures gradually cool back down to about 80 on Sunday, back down to the upper 70s here for early next week. For the Cascades, we're looking at mid-70s, so quite warm up at the pass. Winds will be out of the east there 5 to 10, upper 70s and low 80s for those of you in the foothills. Central Oregon, mid-80s with sunny skies there today. You'll see your temperatures get as warm as 86 on Saturday, then cooling back down into the upper 70s here by early next week. And for the Valley, we're looking at another sunny and warm day ahead. Mid-80s, about 86 here in Eugene, Springfield. Similar conditions for Thursday, up to 88 for Friday. That'll be the warmest day on the week. Through the weekend, we'll see those temperatures gradually move back down to the upper 70s by Sunday, mid-70s for both Monday and Tuesday.